Today is 26 June. This is your daily dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. Plus Gold has raised $1.2 million in a seed funding round led by Jito along with participation from Venture Catalyst, Sonakshi Sinha, Sachin Shetty, Signal Ventures, Varun Dua, Shrish Mishra, Misfits among others. Founded in May 2020 by Veer Mishra and Raj Parekh, Plus Gold offers gold investments through systematic investment plans, SIPs, or one-time transactions. It enables users to redeem their digital gold investments as physical jewelry at any time. Dosari has raised 113.5 crore rupees, approximately $13.6 million, from Indian private equity firm Creaegis. Founded in 2019 by Harshit Jain, Dosari aims to empower pharmaceutical and life sciences companies and healthcare media agencies with solutions that reach HCPs, healthcare professionals, on their networks to achieve better patient health outcomes. Ecom Express is raising 1,424 crore rupees, approximately $172 million, from existing investors via right issue. Launched in 2012, Ecom Express claims to provide logistics services in over 2,700 towns and 27,000 PIN codes in India. It employs over 50,000 people and has more than 3,000 facility centers. SITS Farm has raised $10 million in series of funding called by Omnivore and Narottam Seksaria Family Office, NSFO. Founded in 2016, SITS Farm is a mass premium Hyderabad-based dairy brand. SITS Farm started its operations with whole buffalo and cow milk and gradually diversified into curd, paneer, ghee, butter, dairy beverages, and dairy-based desserts. Rocket Lane has raised $24 million in its Series B funding round called by 8VC, Matrix Partners India and Nexus Venture Partners. Founded in 2020 by Sri Krishna Ganesan, Vignesh Girishankar and Deepak Bala, Rocketlane offers a purpose-built unified workspace for collaborating with customers for onboarding projects. It helps businesses shorten their time to value, streamline their software implementation, and provide real-time visibility. The new funding will push Rocketlane's AI roadmap, which includes development of advanced features and capabilities for project delivery, the company said in a press release. Two Brothers Organic Farm has closed its series a round of funding, raising 58.25 crore rupees. Founded by Satyajit Hanj and Ajinkya Hanj in 2019, is an organic grocery brand offering a variety of products including cultured ghee, herbal tea, cold-pressed oils, native heirloom flours, natural sweeteners, immunity and wellness supplements, single-origin spices, and native varieties of rice, pulses, legumes, and millets. Northern Arc Capital Limited has secured $75 million from Dutch Development Bank FMO through senior secured non-convertible debentures, NCDs, listed on BSE, with a 5-year tenure. Founded in 2006 by Gaurav Shukla, Northern Arc handles assets under management of 10,081 crore rupees.